Today I'm in Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin, town of Grand Rapids. This here is Lake Wazeecha, or Wazeecha Lake. I'm here today with my Aunt Shelly.
We've had decades worth of show skiing, red beach, white sand. You know, it just depends what you want to do. We have boating, you know, wave runners and everything on the lake, and some good fishing, and there's a campground on the lake, so lots to do for all the families. Being in the aqua skiers for years, you know, the kids have lost stuff, and it's just part of being in show skiing. You lose equipment, you lose costume pieces, it's just the way it goes.
And there's also a frisbee golf course on the opposite side of the lake here. There's more beach over there, a campground, a boat launch. So we're gonna be checking it all out. It's not a very, wide lake, but it's a long one, about a mile, right?
I would say about that.
Today we got Amber Krohn and Mike Buchholz out here today to help clean up, do some watching, see what we pull out. Good to see you guys.
Nice to see you too, sir. Happy to be here.
Ouch. Here's a lure for one of you guys. Yeah, you're right about that thermocline. It's only about 4 or 5 feet down. You can tell by the visibility too, it changes all of a sudden. Skate lure. Now she's all stirred up. Found a cute little turtle, look at that. Caught her. So right behind me here is a frisbee golf course. A hole right there, got a hole over there, and I'm sure this whole area along the shore, there's gonna be some frisbee golf discs in here. Let's go find them, try to get them back to the owners. So it says Teresa Morgan. It's got a phone number on it. It's pretty cool. Defender. No name. Shame. No name. You gotta put your name on these folks. Phone number. The signal. Been in here a little while. I ain't seen no name on here. No phone number. Has 2 holes checked, like 4 or 5 discs. Let's move on. What's up, guys? Just got done. I looked at you, started laughing. What's up, guys? Just got done diving in Red Sand Beach near Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. Check out what I found down in the water over here and across the lake by the frisbee golf course. Of course, found a couple of frisbee golf discs here. A little mini skateboard. It says Kryptonics on it. Found some trash right here. Someone's shorts. It's a bad day when you're on the dock and your shorts fall off. Found some rope here. Part of a dock right here. Someone was trying to be a diver. Maybe Amber the diver. It failed. That's my cousin, by the way. I can pick on her. Found a cool little turtle and it squirts. See?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Found somebody's homemade glasses. It says YOLO. Maybe a flea or tick leash right here. Flower necklace that's all falling apart. Found a lure. Nice piece of copper pipe. It's worth a couple bucks. Fun time. Gonna head over down the lake a little bit to clean up a beach area, campground, a boat launch, and whatever else is down the way. You're dirtier than my tailgate. I was surprised to not find much stuff here underwater, but we did move down the lake a little bit and got a bunch of other stuff. It was a really fun time with my family, and I'll be back.